You want to take about 6 sheets of phyllo dough, 6 to 8 sheets. And each sheet you want to brush with butter. So I'm going to do it 1 sheet at a time. I brush each sheet with butter completely. You can use butter, you can use oil, you can use margarine, something to make it completely moist. This is a very thin dough and it can rip easily. But it's okay if it does, just put it back together. Second sheet right on top of the first. I'm using butter. I find I like the flavor, but you may want to use margarine or oil. Either is fine, depending on what you're serving it with. And what I like about making the logs is that these are easy to make ahead and freeze, and then just take out and bake when you're ready. So it's a great make-ahead dessert. You want to make sure that your phyllo is flat. And again, I'm going to repeat this process for 6 to 8 sheets.